Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if I'm audible. Okay, thank you so much. And can you see my screen? Is my screen visible? Show your thumbs up. Okay. So see, without delay, we will start with our coloring because we picked up a very detailed artwork. So without delay, we will start. Okay. Now see, last time I gave you homework of giving outlines and you all must have given outlines. So now you erase extra lines and make your drawing absolutely clean. Come on. This is the third step of our work. What? We draw, we outline, we erase extra lines, and then we finish. Okay? Yes. Okay? Yes. Clean all the lines. And see, today we need two color sets. We need plastic crayons and at the same time we need oil pastels also. Okay? So please keep both color set ready and at the same time watercolors also. And yeah, one earbud is also required today. Okay? One earbud because the complete detailing we will be doing with earbud. Okay? So be ready with all these stuff. Okay? Yes. Now, without delay, we will start. The first of all, yes, I'm repeating. Okay, can you see my video? Okay, I will check what has wrong. Okay, I think now it's clear. Okay, I think now it's clearly visible. Can you see my screen now? Okay. Okay, and I think this is giving complete view of my file. So without delay, let's get started. First of all, I want to show sky. And for showing sky, I will switch on to plastic crayons. Okay, and as I want to show night to light, I will start with blue. Okay, I will be starting with blue and pick up your plastic crayon colors. And at the same time, don't forget circles around. Circles around there. Okay, yes. You will be showing this kind of circles around each and every deer. Okay. And after making this circle, I will start with blue. Please, all of you pick up your plastic crayons now. Okay. Yes. And just move it slowly. And after doing this blue, and see the colors are moving very smoky. Not at all prominent, just upper layer. Okay. After this, I will add red color. You can go for pink also. Okay, dark pink or red, it's your choice. I will be showing both colors that if you will mix pink, it will look like this. Or if you do red, you can try somewhere pink, somewhere red also. Start with blue and this way is gradually you will be showing red. And red, you will be merging with orange. Okay. Gradually we are showing that night is left above. And as it is Diwali, gradually everything is light, full of light. Okay. See here, orange. And last but not the least, yellow. Okay. Yes. Yellow here. So this ways we will be showing this upper. Okay. As we are showing this, that she is, yeah, I will be repeating. This is blue. And after blue, I took my second color, that is red. Okay. And after red, I pick up orange and then yellow. It is just simple wash I'm giving. Okay. Simple wash. Yeah, I will be waiting after this, Arush. After completing this, when you all will show your thumbs up, na, then only I will step on. Don't worry. See, this way is the sky. Okay, and here I want to show that, see, this night is left above and now everywhere is light because of Diwali. Acha students, and one very important announcement I want to tell you about. If your mom is close to you, she can listen, otherwise you can inform. See, we are offering a very special Diwali special package. Okay, and in that, those who are taking long-term plans, those who are interested in learning long-term for 6 months or 12 months, so there are very special offer. Like those who will be enrolling themselves for 1 year, they will be getting complete concession of 6,000 rupees. That is 50% discount. They will be able to learn in 6,000 only. Enrollment charges will be 6,000. And those who are taking long-term plan of 6 months, they will be getting complete discount of 2,500. It means that they will be getting enrolled for 6 months for 3,500 rupees. And say this offer is for first 100 enrollments. Okay. The very limited seats. If you want to be with us, because those who are long-term learning for long, just for keeping them in mind and for making things more manageable and comfortable for them, the special offer is okay. And please hurry, because the first 100 enrollments will be getting the benefit, and afterwards we will close this special scheme. Okay, so please be quick if you want to be the part of regular drawing classes. Okay, hurry and get enrolled for 6 months or 1 year. See, now these circles which I made now, I will be starting with this ways. You can even go for plastic crayons. If you want to do it with plastic oil pastels, you can do it with oil pastels also. If you feel that I want to do it with oil pastels, you can do it with oil pastels also. This complete circle. Okay? Yes. I will be completing the circle with oil pastel or plastic crayon, any color medium you can use. So let's complete this upper portion first. I will be completing yellow. Okay. Yes. Keep doing. And yellow here also. This deep stump which we made now, we will be doing it here also. Okay. Yes. Let's finish it here. And this inner flame will go with orange color. You can go for plastic crayons. You can go for oil pastels. It's absolutely your choice. Okay, this inner flame will go orange. It's a very, very detailed work. We will have to go little quick. See, I picked up my orange oil pastel and I started doing this orange. Okay, just background I did with plastic crayons. And okay, and see the wall, as I am showing a village scene. So you see, in villages, what they do just to coat their walls, they dig mud 4 feet below and add cow dung. Okay, and afterwards they just coat their walls. So for showing that and giving that texture, I will be using sap green color. Sap green color or olive green will also look good. Okay. Yes, this is olive green. I will be showing walls with olive green color with mixing of brown. Okay, with mixing of brown. First, I will pick up red before that, prime red, and in orange, I will be making just a small dot of red. Just a small dot of red color. Okay, small tiny dot of red color. See here, diyas and everything will be colorful of your choice. You will find lots of scope of trying your own color scheme here. Okay? Yeah. I'm waiting. All of you finish? Finish this much? Yes. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. You please continue. Huh. See, we applied blue, then red, then orange, then yellow with plastic crayons. And afterwards, in Diya, we just fill yellow color outside, orange in flame, and red in this middle small circle. Okay, we did only this much till now. Yes, finish this. See, green I have not taken yet. Okay, acha, okay for this. This is olive green and this is brown. Okay, olive green you can take. And see, as this is wall, so if you feel then I want to make wall with red, you can go for red. If you feel that I want to make wall colorful, you can go for colorful wall also. So see here with color scheme, you are absolutely free. Even for this lady's dress, rangoli pattern, everywhere you are free with your own color scheme. Okay? Yes. So these are colors which I'm suggesting. These are just suggestion, but you are free with your color scheme. What I will be doing, as I want to mix these two colors for wall, I will be taking brown, right? And I will start doing brown all around. Okay? With neat outlines, properly, manageable, neat. Yes. This wall I will be showing with these two colors. Okay? And see, those who feel that I want to do plastic crayon, they can try plastic crayons also. Okay? See what I'm doing? I'm applying brown all around. All around. And I will be making it little bold. And see outside I'm moving it smoky. Come on, do it with me. Smoky. Very smoky. After giving outline, I'm moving it smoky. Come on, do. Do first this much with brown. Come on, do this much. Then I will step on. Take care. This is normal brown. It can be any other dark color. You can pick up any dark color. Okay. There is no foundation. If you feel that I want to merge this color with purple, then you can try purple also. You can try black also. Blue also. Dark and light. Combination of two. Okay. So what I did, I gave outlines first. And then afterwards, I move it smoky. And now I picked up this olive green color. And I will start moving straight first. Okay, especially near face. Okay, near face, very carefully, it should not go inside. Move on brown. You will be moving on brown, and afterwards you will fill this complete wall. And for filling it, you can go for blending technique, that is round. Okay, you can go for this round technique also. This round, it doesn't mean big round, no. It doesn't mean oval, no. It means dot. Small tiny dot 4 times, then again 4 times, then again 4 times. Okay. Yeah, it's absolutely your choice and you're manageable. Okay. If manageable for you to for long term, then you can take. Otherwise, you can skip also. Okay. But this offer is specially for our regular students. And there are many who are learning since long. And because of this, it is open only for first 100 enrollments. Afterwards, we will close the scheme. And we really wish those who are interested to learn long term should get some benefit and concession from us. And these concessions are outstanding, mind blowing, and definitely will be proved beneficial for you. Okay, especially those who want to learn for long. Okay, yes. See, this ways I will be completing this wall. Okay, finish this. Keep doing. If you feel like to go straight, you can go straight also. Okay. This ways you will be completing. So my wall is looking as if it is covered with clay and yes, finish it. Finish this, okay? Yes. And see, lots of dust is there. Immediately remove it out. Okay, and this drawing, what this drawing is teaching students, one thing I want to tell you, that students everywhere, Agra has turned, Agra, not only Agra, the complete India, this complete India has turned in a gas chamber. Do you know about gas chamber? See, very cruel rulers like Hitler and all, no? They, while giving punishment, they were using gas chamber for punishment. The one whom they wanted to punish, they were locking that person in a gas chamber. Gas chamber is a room with poisonous gases. So what used to happen to that person whom they wanted to punish? When that person was inhaling that poisonous gas, slowly and slowly, he was dying. And today we are very unfortunate that complete India has turned in a gas chamber. Yes, after when the class will get over, you pick up newspaper or listen to news. You will find that the air graph is continuously deteriorating and it has become difficult to breathe. All are facing breathing problems, especially old age people and newly born babies. They are finding it difficult to breathe. Okay, so now what is Mother Earth is growing sick. We are growing sick. So now what? Remove dust. What thing we are supposed to keep in mind? We are supposed to come forward and take responsibility that coming Diwali, let's celebrate cracker-free Diwali. See, it is unaffordable to us to add more pollution in environment. Things will go out of our limit and we will fall sick. Okay, because breathing has become impossible today. And we all know about harmful gases which get released when we burn crackers. So be determined that this Diwali will be cracker-free Diwali. Okay, let's come forward and save our Mother Earth and save ourselves. See, this is skin color. You can take skin color of oil pastel or You can take skin color of plastic crayons. Okay. And now very carefully, okay, you will fill skin color in face. Yes, see, we upload video of every class. Okay, every class. In our online classes, we provide every student with the recording of every class, and that recording is going to be with you for n number of time. You can see recording n number of time and practice. Okay, so every student get recording, not only of this class, of every class. We provide recording of every class. See, this is skin color, and I'm doing in hands. Skin color. You can go for plastic crayons. You can go for oil pastels. If you're doing with oil pastels, you're supposed to be careful because hands are very thin. Right? So this complete hand, face, neck, and this feet, back. Okay, here you will be doing skin color, flesh tint color. Okay, yes. This is flesh tint color. Okay, this is flesh tint color. I took and I just fill in face, skin color. Okay. Yeah, this video will be uploaded on YouTube channel and you will be getting complete recording and link. I will be taking brown color, coffee brown color, and I will fill here. Okay. I will apply little black and mix it with brown. For hairline, okay. Yes, now it's time to make this chunni. Okay, now see, this time is for your creativity now. For dress, you are absolutely free because in previous classes also, when I asked you to make dresses of your choice, you tried amazingly wonderful color scheme. So even I'm trying, you can copy mine. This is pink color, fluorescent pink color. And I just want to make this chunni with fluorescent pink color. Okay, this odni. Watercolors also we will be doing. We will be doing all decoration, all detailing with watercolors. Okay, I will be showing you artwork. It will give you idea. See, this is complete work, and you can see it's lehenga completely decorated with earbuds, right? Same ways here also we will be decorating it with earbuds. So let's fill colors. Okay. Yes. See this circle. I overlap circles because I'm going to do this with earbud. You can move your color either in blending technique or straight. See, blending technique always gives better results. Okay. And when you move straight, so what happened? Color is somewhere scattered. It means white space is left. See, here I move in circular motion and here I move straight. You can see the difference. So this is the difference. When we use blending technique, that you get a complete thick coat. And when you move straight, this way is white space. So I always prefer blending technique. It means moving your color in small, minute dots. Okay, yes. I picked up fluorescent pink color. You can go for red, you can go for sky blue, you can go for light violet color. There are so many beautiful colors in your color palette. You can pick up or remember your mom's favorite lehenga chunni or your favorite dress. Pick up the same color scheme, light green. Fluorescent green will also look great. Fluorescent green in chunni will also look great. Okay, I picked the fluorescent pink color and I will be completing this part. Okay, move straight on sides. Yeah, see, this was super senior batch work. Okay, this is also Madhubani art. And you can see with earbuds, everything is decorated with earbud. Okay? Yes. So this ways we will be completing. Okay? See, in super senior and senior batch, very little difference is there because art forms are same, coloring techniques are same. So almost both groups are almost same. Okay. Now see, after doing this, I can see lots of dust. Can you see lots of dust? Okay. Remove. Blow it off. Okay. Don't remove it with hand. Blow it off. Okay. I can just show border with this color. Okay. Yes. Let's go for this color. It's lovely fluorescent yellow color. Okay. And here you don't hesitate to pick up any color. Feel free, pick up any color and apply anywhere because I have observed your color scheme. You are very good at color schemes. Okay. Very nice color schemes you implement. And I have complete trust in you that the color scheme which you will implement will be amazing. You can go for red, any color. I will be picking up prime red color for this border. Okay, you can go for blue also. Blue will also look good. Pink with blue is a very good combination. So you can go for blue also. Okay. And see, I openly use color. I'm never, and even the blouse of this lady, I want to do with prime red. Okay, prime red color. Let's complete this part very carefully as oil pastels are very blunt color medium. Okay, yes. Just flat coloring. Okay, and lehenga. Lehenga, I will go for contrast and I will be picking up blue color, ultramarine blue. Okay, yes, pink with blue lehenga is a great combination. Okay, and see, as I told you, you just remember your lehenga. This is blue color. Okay, it's ultramarine blue. I picked up ultramarine blue. And I will be doing flat coloring because decoration part as here in lehenga. Lehenga is completely fold. Hai na? So that's why we'll be showing detailing on border. Yes. So this Diwali, be wise enough, be determined that you will be decorating each and every corner of house with hand painted things, rangolis, hand painted diyas, this and that. But you will not burn crackers. It's time to show you yourself responsible. Hai na? See this bowl. If you don't have fluorescent pink, you can go for some other color. You can go for normal pink. You can go for sky blue color. Sky blue will also look great. Okay, and this bowl I want to show gray. Okay, so gray color you can use use a gray color of your plastic crayon or oil pastel as you wish. I'm going to do gray color in bowl. And I will be making some dots and impression on this bowl also when I will be doing impression work. Okay. Yes. And I will be showing color. Let's put orange color. Okay. And make eyes also beautifully done. Inner circle will be black. You can do dark gray. See what I'm saying you? You can fill any color anywhere. See this inner circle I made black and outer circle I will make brown. Okay. Inner circle black, outer circle brown. See, any color you can use, any, even in diyas. Okay, as I want to make diya very realistic, I just want to show them very realistic. I will be using this black. and red color. I will just put black in this corner, little black. Little black, not too much. Okay, with oil pastel. Even this hanging. I applied little black oil pastel and I will be merging it with red color. Okay, you can take a prime red or you can take germanium or any other color. Any red you can pick up from your color palette. You can go for pink color also. You know, any color. Even rose pink will look great. Okay, so rose pink can also be tried. Let's try rose pink color and finish theirs. Okay, you can try brown also. This ways I will be doing one color in my okay. Yes, this ways what will happen then? You are merging black and any color. You can take any color here. There is no foundation. You will be taking this color only. I just want to show these, give it touch of earthen diyas. So that's why I just picked up pink color. And this black will get merged and you will get lovely effect of diyas. Okay. Move it over black and black will automatically merge in your diyas. Merge it nicely this way. See, this black reflection is looking so beautiful, isn't it? Come on, continue. Very carefully, you will be completing. Okay. See, all diyas are done. Lady is done. Okay, jewelry and all, everything is left. I will complete Rangoli. Now again, Rangoli, before that, I just want to have a look. Will you please lift up your files, all of you? I just want to see what color scheme you are going for. And here you will find lots of scope for your color scheme. Very good. I can see few walls with pink color, few with green color, few with dark green color, brown color. Such lovely colors you fill. Shabash. And red wall is looking great. Really. Blue color is also looking great. Very nice color scheme. I was telling you, na, you are master at color scheme. Now see, this Rangoli is yours. Okay, your color scheme. I will suggest you don't even see what color scheme I'm putting. You just pick up colors and start doing without thinking and without being bothered. Ki ma'am is doing this color. I'm not reading names even and I'm just doing colors. As Rangoli, what is the meaning of Rangoli? Combination of colors, beautiful colors. And Rangoli is why we make, because we want to welcome positive energy. Hai na? These all cultures of India, colorful Rangolis, colorful Vandanvar, these all things attract positive energy. We are welcoming Lakshmi ji, Goddess Lakshmi. Please come with wisdom, joy, happiness, and stay in our house. We will welcome you. To just show that you want to welcome. See, I picked up blue. And I'm going to make my Rangoli absolutely colorful. Okay? And here you too pick up any color of your color palette and fill without being bothered about this will look good or not. No, don't think that ways. Okay? Yes. See, I filled blue here. One corner. I will be doing green. Green here. Oil pastels are very blunt and during winters, they turn more stiff. So using them is actually a challenge, but we will manage. Very carefully, you are supposed to, we can't sharpen them, and they are very sticky. So we are supposed to use them very carefully. Green. Okay, I fill green here. I will be doing green in this block. Anywhere, if I picked up green, I will finish few portions of green in this. Okay. And I just want to fill this portion green. I will be picking up some other color. Okay. I will pick up light violet color. It's a lovely color. I will do it here. Orange I will take, and orange I will do in center where I'm showing Sri Charan. It's light violet color. Okay. Yes. I will be doing light violet color here and here. Okay. I will not go for that this side on that side should be same. No, I will just pick up and apply it anywhere in my Rangoli. I will be doing this violet color here and here. Okay. And I can do it here, this corner also. So feel free doing any color, any. Don't even see which color I'm putting. Okay. See how beautiful color scheme you try. You know, sometimes we feel that no, whatever color ma'am is going to do will look good, but it is not like that. You know, sometimes your combinations are very, very intelligent, brilliant, and beautiful. And as this is Rangoli, don't keep yourself bounded with colors. Don't keep yourself bounded. Okay? Yes. It is done. See, this Rangoli, few blocks are left. Orange I will be doing in center. And orange I will be doing in this stripe because in bowl I showed orange. So now I will pick up orange color and I will be doing in center. Okay. Center can be done with orange. I will be doing orange all around and I will mix it with yellow. Okay. I will mix orange with yellow just to show that middle portion where Sri Charan I'm going to make. Sri Charan. Okay. Sri Charan, it means sign of footprints. These are footprints of Lord Vishnu and they are called Sri Charan. Okay. One of holy symbols. See, I merged orange with yellow here. I can do yellow somewhere here also. Okay. Somewhere here. When green can be done, different shades of green can be taken. Orange here. Okay. Orange here. And yellow here. Okay. This phase you must be watching that this complete Rangoli is about to get over. Complete Rangoli. Okay. Green I will be applying here. And here on this block also. Very carelessly I picked up colors and applied. Okay. So this complete color scheme is about to get over. I will be picking up this violet color also. Let's use this color also. It is left behind. I will be completing this. Okay. This beautiful parrot green color is also there. Continue. Many of you have done. Have you done, Avni Gupta? Okay, that's great. Very quick. Okay, see, many students, they are so fast. They've completed their coloring. And see, my Rangoli is done. This way. Okay, I just want to have a look how your rangolis are going on. Please lift up your files. Wow, lovely. Sky blue and all colors. And I can see a peacock design in this artist Reeth's drawing. She made peacock design. Lovely. Okay. And Shirina and the stump. Very beautiful and lovely color schemes you tried. Beautiful. Okay. Rangolis are almost over. Okay. Yes. Finish. Finish your rangolis. I also completed this ways. Okay, you can see I just filled different colors. I made it very colorful. Okay, eyes is done, everything is done. Now it's time to finish these bowls also. Okay, with gray. As we tried, applied gray now. So let's finish these bowls also. Yes. We can make both bowls with gray color, and we will be making earbud design afterwards. Okay, with different colors. So they will look interesting and creative at the same time. In one bowl, you can fill. See, tulsi, that stump of tulsi, na, that you can, in that also you can do different colors. Okay. You can make that also colorful and try that ways. Okay. So if those who made tulsi stump, they will do different colors in tulsi stump also. And plant will go green. Hai na? Plant will go green. Now see, this complete work is done, and I can see that you all have also completed. So let's complete earbud impression first. Okay, so be ready with earbud impression, because this is the last part here. Okay, this part of mine is left. Okay, this part of mine is left. I will finish this also. Okay, I picked up these colors. Okay, now see, this complete floor we will be doing with yellow ochre, but not now, afterwards, in end. Okay, in end we will be doing yellow ochre. In this complete floor we will be doing this yellow ochre plastic crayons, not oil pastels, plastic crayons. Okay, but before that, let's get started with earbud impression. Okay, because I want to do that devoting enough time so you all can understand and do it. Okay, yes. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. Please finish. Okay, as students are still doing, I will be doing this yellow ochre also. Because if the class will get over now, so this is a complete wash, sleeping lines. This you can do in homework also. Okay, yes. Are you ready now for earbud impression? Show thumbs up or thumb down. Okay, yes, and please inform your parents about this long-term plans. Okay, these are very concessional and going to be very professional, especially for those who are our regular students. And we really want and wish them to be with us, and we wish them to enjoy this concessional offer of ours. And those who want planning for long-term plans, they can take benefit only if top 100, first 100 enrollment will be getting this benefit, and afterwards we will close the scheme. So if you want to be part of that, hurry. Okay. Show thumbs up if your work is done, and show thumbs down if you feel you want me to wait for you. Okay, fine. Okay, I can see many thumbs down. I'm waiting for you. Yes, continue. Continue, I'm waiting for you. And see, by the time I will be doing this. Okay, yellow ochre color all around. This is your homework actually. Because time is running fast. It is already 7:03. So here this plastic crayon coloring you will be doing in homework. And you will not change direction. Everywhere you will be going for sleeping lines. Yeah, you're supposed to message. Okay, the WhatsApp number you have now, you all are having, on which you get link and all. So you're supposed to message. We want to go take long-term plan. Okay. And very limited seats are there. So please hurry. Otherwise, if 100 enrollment will be over, then the scheme will closed. Continue with Rangoli and please show your thumbs up so that I can understand, that I can step on. Show thumbs up. And students, please be determined this time to be responsible and celebrate cracker-free Diwali. Okay, it's time to show your awareness. Okay, beta? Yes. Yes, now see, all of you, open your yellow, white, red, blue, all watercolors. Okay? And yes, yellow, white, red. I want to make it colorful. Okay? And see, you know, these people, village, they decorate wall also with lovely designs. And khadiya, you know, chalk powder. They just mix it. Otherwise, they just mix that powder of rice. And afterwards, with help of this kind of thing they make, they put some cotton on a stick and they paint. Okay, so we will start with that only. First, take white. Always start with light color. So your one earbud will work. Take white and let's make beautiful pattern on wall. Okay, let's start with beautiful pattern on wall. I want to make it white. Okay, I want to make it white. Even diyas. In diyas also, I want the patterns of white. Come on, do with me. Earbud. Now see, the drawing was looking little less interesting and less decorative, no? Using this earbud, we will do this work quickly. See, in competition level also, time is very limited. Competition limit is mostly 1.5 hours or 2 hours, not more than that. So how to manage for things? One hand, you want to complete your work. You want to make it detailed. At the same time, you want to make it decorative also. And because of this only, we kept 2 hours for one artwork. And one class we draw, one class we color. And we try to speed up because on competition level, you are not going to get more than 2 hours. So this practice of class will help you getting that where your speed is. If you're not able to finish and cope up with speed, it means for competition level, you are supposed to be little more attentive and quick. Okay. Now see this white I have now. This white. Yes, I will be making small, tiny dots on diyas also. Okay, small, tiny dots on diyas also. White impression on this folk art always looks great. Okay. Yes. Here also, these deep stump also I will be making it with white. And I just want to show decorative. Yes, finish it with this. Okay. Yeah, this wall is completely decorative. Okay. Now I will dip my same earbud in yellow. Finish this white part and afterwards without. See, your Rangoli is left, no? Those who have not completed Rangoli, so in Rangoli we are going to do nothing. Okay? Rangoli dots and all is optional, but your lady is done now. So let's complete your, first do this. Because this everything we can do afterwards. Our decoration is going to be done only in wall, in this upper part, and in lady. And this you must have done, है ना? I pick up yellow color in same earbud. Continue. Continue. Because of this only I picked up this earbud impression first. Otherwise, normally I does it in the end, and I'm little quick. So today this wash we will be doing afterwards. First we will be doing earbud impression. Okay? Yes. Make earbud and always keep one earbud and watercolors in your color kit. And especially for competition level, for making patterns in cloth, for making flowers in bushes. You know, this is very helpful and it just makes your drawing looking appealing. Okay? It adds beauty and quickly. Now see this complete dress of this lady and jewelry of this lady I'm going to decorate with earbud. And I showed you just now that lady of Madhubani Art of Super Senior Batch. Okay? Okay, please show a thumbs up if you have done with. Now see, I took yellow. Okay. Okay, continue. Many students are showing thumbs down. Finish quickly. And you will not change earbud. When you start with lighter tone, when you start your coloring with lighter tone, now you don't need to change your earbud. When you start with dark tone, so you have to change your earbud again and again. Do white in diyas, do white stripe in wall, and in same earbud, take yellow. Same earbud. I will be taking orange also. Okay, orange also I will take. Red also will look good. I'm going to make it very, very decorative now. Now I will be making tika. Mang tika and small tiny string. I will be making earrings with golden. Okay, small earbud impression on earrings. I will be making jewelry. Okay, this complete jewelry with earbud. Okay, yellow, golden jewelry. This armlet, these kangans. Okay, kangans also I will be doing with yellow because I want to show golden jewelry. And in India, golden jewelry is always first choice of all ladies. Okay, yes. So I will be making this kind of bangles. Okay, and I want to show payal. Okay, payal. Yes, golden payal. I want to show necklace. I want to show ring. And I want to show, now see this yellow work is done. The name of my YouTube channel is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandel. Okay? Yes. Now on same earbud, I will pick up next color, that is orange, without changing colors. With orange, what I'm going to do? With orange, I will be making string here. This kind of decorative string here near diya. Okay, with orange, I'm going to show some pattern on my bowls. Okay, yes. I will be showing some patterns on wall. I will add little white with orange. Okay, little white with orange. And I will take red color. Now I will take red or blue color. Let's take blue color first. And I will be making these dots with blue. See, it can be green, it can be red, any color. I picked up blue color. Okay. Blue. And see, your color is not watery. Don't add color, water in color. Your earbud is dry, your color is dry. Dry, it means not watery. Don't add water. Then only you will get these all impression very bright. I want it very bright. Okay. With white. White looks great always. Hai na? Yes. I'm just decorating as I wish to. Take white again and again. So your impression will be very, very bright and beautiful. Okay, see. See, it's complete. You can see the beauty of work now. Hai na? We just add, and I just want to add some white border. It seems as if the work of beads has been done. I can just show this kind of self-design. Some polka dots, okay, in lehenga. Show some polka dots in lehenga, and I will switch on to red. Here again, I will request you to try your own color scheme. Okay? Blue color, green color, yellow color, any color, anywhere. Any color, anywhere. Just earbud and just take impression. Okay? I want to make a lace of orange color. Okay, lace of orange color here on this odni. Okay, and the most important, that is red bindi. Without bindi, so this lady is incomplete. Yes, don't forget to put a bindi. Okay, and you can see the drawing. So simple techniques we used. Okay, so simple techniques we used for completing and making it colorful. Earbud make our work so easy, isn't it? And now you can see the beauty of this work. With earbud, the walls are looking great. But last but not the least, that is wash. Okay, you can pick up any color. I picked up few colors, white and yellow. I always love to. And if you want, you can just put colors in this kind of dots. You can put in rangoli also. But rangoli, I don't want to disturb. I just want to keep it as it is. Otherwise, everything will get mixed. And a rangoli and this. Now here our lady is highlighted. Because of this only, this texture I will be giving in. Eyebrow, I will highlight with help of pencil. Okay, as eyebrow is hidden, just highlight eyebrows and pack all colors. Okay, yes. And see, in a very simple way, I told you last time also, you learn a sitting posture. Diwali, suppose in any competition you're getting topping Diwali. So at the place of showing people are burning crackers, this and that, if you will go for this folk art, believe me, you will be in the list of winners. So be selective and be creative. Folk art always help you winning your competitions because this is always eye-catchy, colorful, and at the same time simple to draw. It's very simple to draw. And as you learn sitting posture, if you remember, we learn this complete figure using letters and numbers. Okay, I just want to have a look and see your homework. What is your homework as we exceed time? This is yellow ochre color. This complete background you will be doing with yellow ochre. This is your homework. And see, you will go for small, small strokes. You will not go for big strokes. Okay? And this you will be doing in. And this is plastic crayons, not oil pastels. You will be going for plastic crayons and you will finish your work. Please pick up your work. I want to see all of you lift up your work. I want to see that how it has turned out. Yes. Lovely color schemes. Shabash. Very nice. Very nice. Students are showing and they have really done great work. Even you can see work of your friends. You know? You can also see work of friends and they have done lovely work. Okay? Yes, this posture can be used and see very beautiful color scheme students have utilized. They have used lovely color scheme and this yellow ochre for showing floor. Don't forget, this is your homework. And see, everywhere you will be moving your color in sleeping direction. You will not change your direction, okay? This thing you are supposed to keep in mind. So this is all about our today's artwork. And hopefully you all must have enjoyed, although it was a very, very detailed work. It was a very detailed work. Okay. Yeah, please show Tannish. All of you show. When I scroll now, those who are showing, I'm able to see everyone's work. Very good. Okay. Very good. Lovely work. Very beautifully implemented. Very good efforts. Very nice work. And the color schemes you applied is amazing. Homework is this. You will pick up this. And I can see this beautiful wind chain by Reed. And it is made with thermocol glasses, right, Reed? And it is so beautiful. Okay, this is yellow ochre color, golden color, and your